In front is the latest 3,000 cubic meters per hour efficient dependable cutter suction dredger. For dredging and expansion construction, it allows dredging project to operate in ports, rivers, reservoirs, lakes and under tropical climate conditions. When these various water environments comes to dredging and land reclamation planning, with its installed power 1030 pool, giving you a whopping power capacity of more than 3,000 cubic meters per hour and discharge distance up to 1,500 meters. With its built-in features and enhanced system, full hydraulic system, and Siemens PLC operation, this no doubt provides the user a high level of reliability during operations. At present, this cutter suction dredger is a Poland order and is being split and packaged. Can you still tell which part is in which part of the original dredger after splitting? Hangpang CPR will professionally pack each part according to the shipment time, clearly mark the number, and deliver all the goods to the port or customer's designated place on time.